I'm really excited to see you.
Why are you so excited, Prince Wednesday?
Because we're about to have a special neighbor Huggins Song at the castle.
A neighbor Huggins Song? Oh, that sounds just right for Neighbor Day.
I know. Will you help me tell everyone in the neighborhood about the Huggins Song?
We sure will, Prince Wednesday.
Thanks. Just tell everyone you see to come along to the neighbor Huggins Song. Let's say it together.
Come along to the neighbor Huggins Song.
That was tiger-tastic.
Oh, it sure was, Daniel, but I think we should all try one more time to make sure we don't forget what to say. Come along to the neighbor Huggins Song.
Thanks for helping me, neighbors. Bye. See you soon.
Bye, Prince Wednesday.
Bye, Prince Wednesday. I'm so glad we can help Prince Wednesday. Hey, since it's Neighbor Day, maybe we can help all the neighbors we see. Do you think we can?
Oh, that sounds like a great idea, Daniel. Do you all think we can? Sure. Yeah.
Terrific. Sing with me.
We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the Huggins Song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Oh, that was great singing, neighbors. We're going to do it one more time because that was really good. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the Huggins Song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Oh, that was fantastic singing, neighbors. And our next stop is going to be the neighborhood treehouse where we're going to invite our first two neighbors.
Do you see my friends? It's Katarina Kitty Cat and O the Owl. Let's say hello.
Hi, Katarina Kitty Cat. Hi, O the Owl.
Hello, Daniel. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. Woohoo! Hi, neighbors. Isn't it a beautiful day, Meow Meow?
It is a beautiful day, Katarina, and we have a very important message for you from Prince Wednesday's castle. Do you all remember what to say? Come along to the neighbor Huggins Song.
A neighbor Huggins Song?
That's right, a special Huggins Song party just for Neighbor Day.
That does sound special, Meow Meow.
Oh, yes, it does. I think I'll bring my favorite book to share at the Huggins Song.
Oh, that sounds great. Oh, but where is your book?
I don't know, Hoo Hoo. Can you help me find it?
Do you see O's book? Where is it?
It's over there.
Raise your hand if you see it.
Oh, there
Use
it
that hand
is.
to point to
Thank
it.
you, neighbors. You helped me find my book.
You're very welcome, Oh. And how about you, Katarina? Are you going to do something special for the neighbor Huggins Song party too?
I'm going to do a dance at the neighbor Huggins Song in my beautiful tutu, Meow Meow.
Katarina, that sounds wonderful, but where is your tutu?
I don't know, Meow Meow. Can you help me find it? My tutu is very important for my dance.
Can you find Katarina's tutu?
Maybe.
Oh, there's my tutu. Thank you for finding it, Meow Meow. You are such good neighbors on Neighbor Day.
You're very welcome, Katarina, and thank you very much. Well, neighbors, if we want to invite everybody and make it to the Huggins Song on time, we should probably get going. We'll see you both there.
Bye, neighbors. Thank you. See you later, Meow Meow.
Bye.
Goodbye.
We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the Huggins Song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Oh, that was great singing, neighbors. And our next stop is going to be the neighborhood museum go-round where we're going to invite Miss Elena.
Let's all say hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Miss
Miss
Elena.
Elena.
Hiya, tits. Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day to you too, Miss Elena. We have a very important message for you from Prince Wednesday's castle. What do we say to Miss Elena? Come along to the neighbor Huggins Song.
Oh boy, I love Huggins songs, especially on Neighbor Day.
Will we be seeing you at the castle then, Miss Elena?
You sure will, but I'll be Astronaut Elena in my space helmet.
Oh, Astronaut Elena, that sounds amazing, but where is your space helmet?
No, oh no, oh no! Where did I put my helmet? Will you help me, neighbors?
You see Miss Elena's space helmet?
It's in front of your ship.
Thanks for finding it, neighbors. Just in time for the neighbor Huggins Song.
You're very welcome, Miss Elena. Well, we'll see you later. If anyone didn't see it, it's the box ring from
I'll
her rocket
see you
ship.
soon. Bye.
Kind of blends in there.
Bye.
We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the Huggins Song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Oh, wonderful singing, neighbors. All right, neighbors, and our next stop is going to be the neighborhood clock factory. I'm not sure, but does anyone know who works at the clock factory? That's right, and here we are.
The clock factory? That's where my dad works. And there he is. Hi, Dad.
Hello there, my fuzzy guy. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Welcome to the clock factory. Are you on your way to the castle?
We are, Dad Tiger. Will you be joining us at the neighbor Huggins Song party later?
I sure will. But first, it's almost chime time. Would you like to hear it?
I think we would, but what is chime time, Dad Tiger?
Daniel, would you like to tell them?
Sure, Dad. Chime time is when all of the clocks in the clock factory make their special music.
And now, it's about to begin.
Wasn't that terrific? Thanks, Dad.
Yes, thank you, Dad Tiger. That was amazing. Well, neighbors, I think it's time for Daniel to get off the trolley now and join his dad here at the clock factory. Isn't that right, Daniel?
That's right. I'll get off trolley now, so I can come along to the Huggins Song with my whole family.
All right, neighbors, let's all close our eyes again really tight, and let's all make believe that Daniel is getting off the trolley to see his dad. No peeking. And there he goes. You can open your eyes.
Bye, everybody. See you at the neighbor Huggins Song.
Bye, Daniel.
Bye.
All right, neighbors, well, we have just one last stop to make before we get to the Huggins Song party, and I believe that it's our friendly neighborhood mailman, Mr. McFeely. We're going to have to invite him to the Huggins Song party without Daniel. Hi, Mr. McFeely.
Well, hello there, neighbors. It's good to see so many happy faces on this beautiful Neighbor Day. I'm on my way to make a speedy delivery to the castle.
What's in your basket, Mr. McFeely?
It's a surprise. Come to the neighbor Huggins Song to find out.
What do you all think is in the basket? Does anyone want to make any guesses? $500,000? That's a good guess. Anybody else? Cards? Oh, well, those are
Party supplies.
What do you think it is?
Party supplies.
That's such a great guess, but I guess we're just gonna have to wait and find out. Are we ready to invite him? Come along, come along.
Bye,
to the
neighbors.
neighbor Huggins
See you
Song.
soon.
He seems a little excited to get there. We'll see you then, Mr. McFeely. All right, neighbors. Well, those were all wonderful guesses as to what's in this basket, and it's a good thing we won't have to wait long to find out what's inside because we're finally almost to the Huggins Song party. And here we are.
Happy Neighbor Day. Welcome. Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day to you too, Daniel. Well, neighbors, we made it just in time for the neighbor Huggins Song party to begin.
Hi, neighbors. Look, everyone came to the Huggins Song, and Mr. McFeely brought us all sunflowers. That was his special Neighbor Day speedy delivery. Aren't they terrific?
Oh, they most certainly are, Daniel, but what do we do now?
Well, we start with hugs. Everybody hug all the people you want to hug.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea, Daniel. Everyone give someone a nice big hug. Oh, it most certainly was, Daniel. That sure was fantastic. But what do we do now?
It's such a good feeling to have everyone here for Neighbor Day. Are you ready to sing?
I think we are.
Here we go.
It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up, ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day.
It's you I like. Ugga mugga, everybody.
Ugga mugga Daniel and happy Neighbor Day.
Bye.
Happy Neighbor Day.
Goodbye. Happy Neighbor